a kitchen backsplash, and two large format tile floors. This is what I do every day. So a quick little video this week. I don't have a lot of time. It's the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So I just wanted to show you what I'm working on this job. I'll just give you an idea of what I work on sometimes. This is actually a couple of floors and a backsplash. The backsplash I started, you can see the feature above the stove that I'm doing here. But let me just show you what else I'm doing before I get to this. So this is actually a house that people live in, but they moved out because they had a lot of work done. They had a whole new kitchen put in here. This is the backsplash I'm working on. This is, I already did this floor and grabbed this floor. All the baseboard is on. This is 1/3 stagger. 1, 2, 3. It's a little bit dirty because they put the washer dryer in. They put the countertops in. They did a bunch of work in here. They put all the baseboard on, and the closet, the half bath. And when they cut this hole, they cut the hole wrong, but I cut my hole correct. So they're gonna have to cut out a little bit more of this plywood here to make that work. So this is the laundry room. Then go over to the front hall, which is ready for grout. I just cleaned it up and vacuumed it up. And this is also 1/3 stagger. I just gotta grout this. And look at that from this side here. And then what is left is the backsplash, which is just gonna be subway tile. As you can see here, subway style. Now this was kind of a dilemma on how to lay this out, because this is in the center. From left to right, it's perfectly in the center, and it's balanced up and down. It's a full tile on the bottom. It's going to be a cut piece on the top. It's going to be a full tile up here, and then a cut piece on the top. But as far as left to right, no matter what we did, we're going to end up with slivers. So we couldn't center the tile on the feature. We had to just figure it out so that we would get decent pieces all along the window and the corner and everywhere else. So this is the backsplash that I'm going to be doing. So that's just a little video for this week, just to show you what I'm working on. This is the kind of stuff I do every week. If it's not a backsplash, if it's not a floor, it's a shower. Check out my channel. Over almost 900 videos and over 60 million views. So in my channel you can find all kinds of videos on how to do things, on how to install floor, everything about tile. So check it out. Anyway, if you're watching this just before Thanksgiving or just after Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Have a great holiday.